Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you change your name on Remitly. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your name in Remitly, you just simply have to open your Remitly application. And after opening the application, you will get to see a bunch of options into homepage directly. Now you just simply have to select this manage icon into the bottom right corner. Tap into there and you will get to see this option of profile. Select profile option, and after selecting the profile you will get this option of name into very top. Now in order to change name, tap to edit just beside your current name, and you just simply have to erase your current name and enter a new name for your account. And after selecting a new name, tap to save and your name will successfully be changed. This way you can very easily change your name into Remitly. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.